Welcome to the city guitar school, where the teacher is yours truly, who can't play, who can't stay, who can't sway, who can't do anything. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. But anyway, the lesson of the day is, do you want to sound like Yngwie Malmsteen? Well, all you have to do is this. You see this one? This is on this. You see? This humbucker. But if you do it like the Swede, you put it up here on that one, and then you sound like this when you play solo down here, like this. My name is Yngwie Malmsteen.